I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your balance on Koodo Prepaid, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Dial the balance check number. Open your phone's dialer and enter the balance check number, which is *611. This will connect you to Koodo's customer service. Step 2. Follow the voice prompts. Listen carefully to the automated voice prompts. Select the option for checking your balance, usually by pressing a specific number like 1. Step 3. Check your balance via the Koodo app. If you prefer using your smartphone, download the Koodo app from the App Store or Google Play. Log into your account to view your balance directly. Step 4. Visit the Koodo website. You can also check your balance online by visiting the Koodo website. Log into your account and navigate to the Account Overview section. Step 5. Set up balance alerts. To avoid surprises, consider setting up balance alerts in the app or online. This way, you'll receive notifications when your balance is low. Remember, if you have issues with the app or website, sometimes logging out and back in can resolve minor glitches. Happy checking!